So let me explain what you get when you join Inspire. Inspire is a monthly membership, so for a regular monthly fee, you gain access to all of the regular content that I provide as part of Inspire. So every month there will be a art tutorial, drawing, sketching, painting, something like that with me in my studio. So here I'll record it for you. I'll often ask guest tutors to take part as well. So sometimes there will be guest tutors providing tutorials as well. It'll be things like pencil drawing techniques, printmaking tutorials, painting, acrylic and watercolour, sometimes colour theory or specific projects, exercises, etc, etc. So it'll be varied every month. There'll be regular arty and creative challenges. So just like my 30-day sketchbook challenge, you might find a 7-day challenge, a 10-day challenge, drawing, painting on a particular theme. I'll also talk about mindset. It's something I included in one of my recent courses. And by mindset, it's going to be my thoughts and ideas on how to cultivate your creativity and think like an artist, so think in a very creative way. So getting rid of negative beliefs, focusing on positivity, and just working on that creative mindset in general. I'll also include book reviews, art material recommendations, things I'm using currently. And every month we'll have a different theme or a different project that we'll be working on, and everything sort of fits loosely into that different theme and project. There'll be an Inspire Me section every month where I discuss what's on my mind at the moment, what's keeping me interested. I'll be doing artist interviews, journal prompts, and also I'll be sharing my business strategy. I'll be sharing behind the scenes stuff basically. So I'll be talking about how I create my website, how I write my blogs, marketing methods, things that I do myself, behind the scenes when I'm recording videos. So it's just opening up the world, Inspire, to the things that I do as a practicing artist and a creative entrepreneur. This will be very directed by you guys. So once I get feedback on what you want to hear from me, this is what I'll be providing. So you're very much part of the community. You'll be inspiring me as I'm inspiring you. I'll also include bonuses every month as well. There'll be creative meditations, inspiring music playlists, discounts on short courses, free mini courses, and exclusive first access to any new courses that I release as time goes through. So how it works is you gain access to a membership portal. So if you've done any online courses with myself previously, you'll have logged into a membership course portal. So you'll log in there. There'll be an introduction section which will explain who I am, what Inspire is, and give you the layout of the land. And then every month, a new month's worth of content will be released on the first of the month, which will include that art tutorial, mindset video, and a collection of other things that will keep you inspired for the month ahead. The other great thing about this is there will be a community, a Facebook community group. And within that group, you get to meet all the other members. It's a place for us to share our work. And this group will be slightly smaller than our 30-day sketchbook challenge group, which has grown to the thousands. I love it. I love my sketchbook challenge group, but for Inspire, I'm keeping the membership small. I'm keeping it closed. The membership only opens for a couple of times per year so that I can get to know you, and that when you join Inspire, you become part of the community, part of my inner circle, my inner sanctum. I'm opening my studio doors to you to share with you on a way that I have never done before. It's completely new. It's completely, it's quite a personal thing, sort of opening up my studio doors, but I really am looking forward to it, and I can't wait to do it. So I hope this gives you an idea of what Inspire is. You've got your monthly content, course portal, you'll have the Facebook community group, and you'll also have email support, regular FAQs with me, so that you have a direct interaction with myself and other Inspire members as well. So I hope that explains it, and I can't wait to see you in Inspire.